Class 9 Mathematics. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today our topic is straight line and angles. The exercise 9.1. Let us start what will be in your exercise. So see here. First, if a ray stands on a straight line, the sum of two adjacent angles so form is 180 degree, and these are known as linear pairs. So these are the linear pair. A and B are the linear pair. That's why though A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. And you can write like such that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Now see the next. The vertical opposite angle formed by two intersecting lines are equal. In this you can see here the angle 1 is angle 3 because they are the vertical angles. So they are vertically opposite angles. And angle 2 and angle 4 also vertically opposite angles. So you can say angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So these are the vertically opposite angles. So you can see here it is vertically opposite angles and they are always equal. Now come to the example 1. It is given in your figure 18 in your textbook. And OA and OB. OA, this is the OA and OB are the opposite rays, and what is the measurement of angle of AOC? As you know, AOC, where is the AOC? This angle, AOC, and BOC, this angle. So let us start. How can do this? So by linear pair, the sum of all the angles are 180 degrees. So you can write here by linear pair. So angle sum, so whole angle, so angle of BOC plus angle of COD plus angle of DOA, all are 180 degree. So BOC, that is the 2x, and angle of COD, that is the x, and the angle, this one is x plus 20 degree is equal to 180 degree. X, 2x and 2x, that is the 4x, and is equal to 180 degree minus 20 degree. So 4x is equal to 160 degree. So x will be equal to 160 degree divided by 4. 4 just 16 and 1 0. So x becomes 40 degree. So what will be these angles? So first of all, we can find the angle of AOC. What is the angle of AOC? You can see here AOC, it will be x plus 20. So that means it is 2x plus 20. So 2 into x is equal to 40 and it is 20. So it becomes 80 plus 20 and that is 100 degree. So you have to write here degree. So that will be your answer. Now let us see the angle of BOC. As you know, angle of BOC, it will be 2x. So you can write 2 into 40. So it will be 80 degrees. So that one is the second answer. Let us see the example 2. What will be in this exercise? In this example, in the given figure 19, it is given your 19 figure. Line AB and CD are intersecting. Both lines are intersecting at O. If angle AOC, where is the angle of AOC? You can see this one is X angle. And the angle of COB, where is COB? You can see here COB. Suppose this one is the Y angle. So you can say let angle of AOC let angle AOC equal to X and angle COB equal to Y. And it is given that the ratio of these angles, that is the 7 raised to 8. So X raised to Y is equal to 7 raised to 8. So let once again X equal to 7k and Y is equal to 8k. So what will be happen by linear pair? by linear pair, so angle sum x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Put the value of x is 7k and y is 8k is equal to 180 degree. 8 and 7, that is the 15k is equal to 180 degrees. So k is equal to 180 divided by 15. So 15 1 ja 15 and 15 2 ja 30. So k will be equal to 12. So now we can find the x and y also. So what will be your angle x? So x will be equal to how much? It is the 7k. 7k. So 7 into 12. 7 2 ja 14 and 7 1 ja 7 and 1 8. So 84. And that angle is which one? And that angle is AOC. So 84 degrees. So that will be your answer. Now y is equal to which one? It is the 8k. So put the value of k is 12. So 8 2 ja 16 and 8 1 ja 8 and 1 9. So 96 degree y, and y is, as you know, the angle of COP is equal to 96 degree. So that will be your second answer. So let us see this one, example 3. In the given figure, this is the given figure of 20. COD is equal to 90, which is given in your COD is equal to 90, and BOE. Where is the BOE? BOE. This one angle is 72. This one, this 90, and this is 72. If AOB is a straight line, so this line is a straight line. Find the measurement of AOC. Where is the AOC? You can see here AOC, this X angle. BOD, that is the Y angle, and the angle of AOE. Where is AOE? AOE. This is the 3x. So you can find here. So first of all, bilinear pair. Bilinear pair, the sum of these angles is 180 degrees. So you can see here 3x plus 72 degree is equal to 180 degree. So it is 3x is equal to 180 degree minus 72 degree. So 3x will be equal to 0 in 10 minus 2, that is the 8. And here is 7 minus 7, that is 0, and here is 1. So x will be equal to 108 degree divided by 3. So 3 3 ja 9 and 3 6 ja 18. So x will be equal to 36 degree. So we can find the AOC. This angle is AOC. So angle of AOC is equal to x, and it will be equal to 36 degrees, and that one is your first answer. Now find the angle BOD. How can find the angle BOD? So we can see bilinear pair. Once again bilinear pair. So all the sum of these angles. So x plus 90 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Put the value of x is 36. So you can write here 36 plus 90 or plus y is equal to 180 degree. So you can add them. So 9 or 3, that is the 12. 126 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. So y will be equal to 180 degree minus 126 degree. So y will be equal to 10 minus 6, that is the 4, and 7 minus 2, that is the 5, and 1 minus 1, that is 0. So it is the y is 54 degree. As you know, y is BOD. So you have to write BOD is equal to y, and that is the 54 degree, and that will be your second answer. Now come to the AOE. Where is the AOE? AOE. So you can write here angle of AOE. That will be equal to 3x. So you can put the value of x. So 3 into that is 36 degrees. So you can multiply 3 6 ja 18 and 3 3 ja 9 and 1 10. So it is the 180 degree. So that will be your third answer. So you can write this one is AOE. Now let us come the example number 4. In the given figure 21 figure is given here. Ray OS start from the point O. OS, this is the OS, this one. On line PQ, the line is PQ. Other rays OR is here. And OT bisect angle POS. POS, this is the suppose it is bisect, so we can say these angles are equal, X and X. Yes, bisect. Angle POS. POS, you can see here POS. And now SOQ, where is SOQ? Suppose these angles are Y, because it is bisecting, so both angles are equal, so it will be Y. Now find the measurement of ROT. So ROT, we can find R. Yes, let us start. How can do? First of all, OR is angle bisector of angle, which one? ROS. So angle of POR is equal to angle of SOR, and let X. So similarly, OT is angle bisector of angle, which one? SOQ. Hence, angle of SOT is equal to angle of POQ, and that is the Y. You can say that. So by linear pair, angle sums are all the 180 degrees. So you can say this, you have the 4 angles. So all the sum of 4 angles will be equal to 180 degrees. So X plus X and Y plus Y will be equal to 180 degrees. So you can say 2X plus 2Y will be equal to 180 degrees. So 2 is as a common. So X plus Y will be equal to 180 degrees. Now we can find the X. So X plus Y is equal to 180 degree divided by 2. So 2 9 by 18, so we get X plus Y is equal to 90 degrees. As you have to see, this angle is X plus Y. So you can write ROT. So angle of ROT will be equal to 90 degree, and that will be your answer. Now come to the example 5. In the descent figure, there are 4 rays. First one OP. OP is this one is. Then OQ. It is here, and then OR it is here, and OS it will be here. So prove that the angle sum of all the angle sum, these are the 160 degrees. So how can prove? Let us see. First of all, you can construct construction. First of all, one construction, and draw OQ, QO up to. Now draw this one up to the L. So construction is draw QOL. Draw QOL line. So what will be by linear pair? By linear pair. What will be upon all the angle sum? This angle and this angle will be equal to 180 degree. So you can write here angle of POL plus angle of POQ. These two angles equal to 180 degree. So it's your equation first. Now once again by linear pair. All the sum of these 3 angles will be equal to 180 degrees. So you can write here angle of LOS plus angle of SOR plus angle of ROQ will be equal to 180 degree. So this is your second equation, adding first and second equation. How can I add? This is the angle POL. So angle of POL plus angle of LOS plus angle of POQ plus angle of, it is the SOR plus angle of ROQ will be equal to, here is 80 plus 180 plus 80, 180 plus 180. So this angle, this the both angles. So you can see this angle and this angle both are the, you can say it is the POS. So you can write here angle of POS, and here is angle of POQ and plus angle of SOR plus angle of ROQ will be equal to 360, and hence proved. So now come to the exercise, that is the exercise 9.1. It is the given figure. In the figure, alongside angle of POR and angle of QOR, a linear pair. So this one, the linear pair, if the x minus y is given as 80 degree, find the value of x and y. So you can say by linear pair, as you know, x plus y angle is equal to 180 degree. That one is your equation first. And given that x minus y will be equal to 80 degree. So it is your equation second. Adding first and second equation. What will be upon? X plus y is equal to 180 degree and x minus y is equal to 80 degree. Now add them, so y will be cancelled out. So we get 2x is equal to how much? It is 0, 8, 8, 16, and here is 1 and 1, 2. So we can find the value of x. It is the 260 divided by 2. So 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, and here is 30. So x will be equal to 130 degree, and that is the first answer. Now put the value of x. Put the value of x in equation first. So that one is the first equation. So x is 130 degree and plus y will be equal to 180 degree. So we can find the y. It is the 180 degree minus 130 degree. So we can say y is equal to 50 degree, and that will be your second answer. Now come to the second question. In the given figure, PQ and RS are intersecting and point O. This one is PQ and RS. Okay, this one. If the angle of POR, so you can write here angle of POR, it is POR. So POR plus angle of QOP will be equal to 70 degree. And it is also given as angle of QOS is equal to 40 degree. Then measure the angle of this one QOT. Where is the QOT? It is the QOT, this angle. And the reflex ROT, reflex of ROT, where is ROT? This one. So reflex that side is reflex side. So you can write here. Let us start. So first of all, POR, where is POR? POR is here. And QOT, this one, angle QOS and QOS, this one. First of all, by linear pair. By linear pair, where this one is first, second, and third. So angle sum is 180 degree. So you have to write here angle of POR plus angle of ROT plus angle of which one? QOS OT, and it will be equal to 180 degree. As you know, angle of POR plus, इस एंगल को इसके पास ले लीजिए QOT को. So that one is the angle QOT, and plus this angle is ROT is equal to 180 degree, and but it is given as 70 degree. So you have to write 70 degree plus angle ROT will be equal to 180 degree. So angle of ROT will be equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. So angle ROT is equal to 110 degree. So that one is your first answer, ROT. ROT, this one is the ROT, but we want to find the reflex angle of ROT. So reflex angle ROT, it will be equal to 360 minus 110. So we get here is 0, and the 6 minus 1, that is the 5, and 3 minus 1, that is the 2, 250 degrees. So that one is your answer. It is not your answer. Once again, by linear pair, this angle 110, and this is the QOT, and this is the QOS. The angle sum is 180 degrees. So you can write here 110 plus angle of which one? QOT plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. It is by linear pair. So you can find the angle QOT plus, it is the 110 and 40, that is the 150 degree, is equal to 180 degree. So QOT will be equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree. So QOT will be equal to 30 degrees, and that will be your answer. Let us see the next question, that is the third question. In the adjoining figure, lines AB and LM. Where is the AB? This one, the AB and LM are intersecting at point O. Angle of NOB is 90 degree. It is given as NOB, that is the 90 degree. And the ratio of x raised to y, that is the 2 raised to 3. This one is the 2 raised to 3. Then find the value of z. This angle will be find out. So let us see how can do. First of all, by linear pair, it is given that x raised to y is equal to 2 raised to 3. So you can write let x will be equal to 2k and y will be equal to 3k. So by linear pair, what will be upon? All the sum, this one is this equal to 180 degree. So x plus y plus 90 degree will be equal to 180 degree. So put the value of x, it is 2k, and value of y, it is 3k, and plus 90 will be equal to 180 degree. It is 2 and 3, that is the 5k will be equal to 180 degree minus 90. So 5k will be equal to 90 degrees. So k will be equal to 90 degree divided by 5. So 5 1 ja 5, and 5 1 ja 5, here is 4, and 8 ja 40. So k will be equal to 18 degree. So let us find the value of x and y. So what will be happen? So x is equal to how much? It is 2k, and that is a 2 into 18. It is 36 degree. And now y will be equal to 3k, and it is 3 into 18, that is a 54 degree. Once again, by linear pair, which linear pair? This y and z, both are 180 degree. So y plus z is equal to 180 degree. So put the value of y is 54 degree. So you have to write 54 plus z is equal to 180 degree. So z will be equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree. So what will be happen? So 0 then 10 minus 4, that is the 6, and here is 7, 7 minus 5, that is the 2. So that will be equal to 126 degree and it is your answer. So you have to write these type of questions. Now come to the question number 4. What will be open in this question? In the given figure, angle ECD is given as, that is the x, equal to EDC. This one the EDC, that is the x also, because both are equal. So here is angle of ECD is equal to angle of EDC and it is x left. So by linear pair, so angle sum of this and this equal to 180 degrees. So you have to write angle of which one? ECA plus x is equal to 180 degree. So that is the first equation. And once again by linear pair. So angle sum of these angles is 180 degree also. So we can write here angle of EDB plus angle of x is equal to 180 degree. So that will be equation second. Now subtract the equation first and second. Subtracting the equation first and second. So let us see, it is the angle of ECA plus x will be equal to 180 degree and angle of EDB plus x will be equal to 180 degree. So what will be happen? Change their sign. So 180 will be cancelled out and this will be also cancelled out. So we can write here ECA angle minus angle of EDB is equal to 0. Now angle of ECA will be equal to angle of EDB and that is the proof. यही आपको प्रूव करना था. It is given here. Now come to the next question. So in the given figure A plus B equal to C plus D, it is given that A plus B is equal to C plus D. And then LOM is the straight line. So LOM is a straight line. Now prove that LOM is a straight line. So it is the proof. So let us start. How can do this? So first of all, by linear pair. By linear pair. Not by linear pair. All the angle sum of at a point is 360 degrees. So you can write here all the angle sum at a point will be equal to 360 degrees. So you can write here A plus B plus C plus D equal to 360 degree. But you can put the value of A plus B as a C plus D. So here is A plus B plus, you can write here A plus B. So A plus B equal to 360 degree. So 2A plus 2B is equal to 360 degree. 2 as a common, so A plus B is equal to 360 degree. So you can say A plus B is equal to 360 divided by 2. So we get 180 degree. That means A plus B is equal to 180 degree. Hence, A and B are linear pair. So which one? LOM is a straight line. Hence, now let us start the next question, that is the question number 6, and it's a very important question. How can do this one? Angle of COD. You can see here angle of COD. It is the angle of COD, so you can write this angle. It is X and the angle of BOD, you can see here BOD, this angle. You have to write this one is the Y, and the angle of AOD, here is angle AOD, this angle. Suppose this will be your Z. Then prove that. That means the angle of COD is X, and it is 1 by 2. Angle BOD, that is the Y, and minus AOD, that is Z. That one is the proof. So let us see. Now start how can prove this one. So by linear pairs, you can see here by linear pair. What will be happen? So angle of Z plus angle of X plus angle of 90 equal to 180. So you have to write angle of Z plus angle of X plus angle of 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So we can write here Z plus X equal to 180 minus 90. So Z plus X equal to 90 degrees. That is the equation first. Now by once again line PDM linear pairs, once again by linear pair. In this we can say this is the Z and Y. So Z plus Y is equal to 180 degree. So that will be equation second. Now multiply by 2. Multiplying by 2 to equation first and subtracting with equation second. So let us first you multiply to this one. So 2Z plus 2X will be equal to 180 degree, and here is Z plus Y will be equal to 180 degree. Now subtract them, change their sign. So 180 will be cancelled out, and we get here 1Z and plus 2X and minus Y is equal to 0. So 2X will be equal to Y minus Z. So X will be equal to 1 by 2 Y minus Z, and that and true. And it's a very important question, so you can do very well. Now come to this question, 7th question. What will be happen in this question? So angle of ABC, you can see it is a 64 degree, and AB is extended, so AB is extended to X. Draw a figure to show this information. It is the drawing of the figure. The ray BY bisect. BY is bisect, so these angles are equal, X and X. Bisect this angle CBX, then find the value of angle of ABY. Where is the angle of ABY? You can see here ABY, this angle. So we can write here. So first of all, bilinear pair. Bilinear pair. As you know, this angle is X. How can write this one? BY is angle bisector of angle CBX. So that means angle of CBY equal to angle of YBX, and that is the X. So by linear pair, all the sum of these angles 64 degree plus X will be equal to 180 degree. So here is 2X is equal to 180 degree minus 64 degree. So 2X will be equal to, so 10 minus 6, 4, that is the 6, and here is 7, 7 minus 6, that is the 1, and here is 1. So X will be equal to 116 degree divided by 2. So 2 5 is 10 and 2 8 is 16. So x will be equal to 58 degrees. But we want to find the measure of which one angle? CBX. Where is the, then find the measure of ABY. Where is the ABY? This one is ABY. So you have to write angle of ABY. ABY is 64 plus x. So you can write here 64 plus x. So what will be upon 64? 64 and plus x is 58. So you have to add 8 and 4, that is the 12, and here 6 and 6, that is the 12. So that is the 122 degree. Now reflex of YBX. Where is YBX? It is YBX. This one is the Y. So you can write here reflex angle YBX. So what will be happen? It is the 360 minus x. So that is the 360 minus x is 58. Now subtract this. So 10 minus 8, that is the 2. And here is the 5. 5 minus 5, that is the 0. And here is 3. So 302 is the reflex angle of this one. So that is your answer. ये एक्सरसाइज बच्चों समाप्त हो रही है. सो नीचे लाल रंग का एक बटन दिखाई दे रहा होगा, इसको दबाकर सब्सक्राइब करेंगे. और नीचे शेयर का बटन है, इसको दबा करके ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करेंगे. जिनके पास नई वीडियो पहुंचा है उसको देने का कोशिश करेंगे. और कम से कम एक लाइक तो करेंगे ही. और इसी के साथ मैं ये वीडियो यहीं पे समाप्त करता हूँ. अगली एक्सरसाइज में मैं फिर मिलूंगा आपको नए उसके साथ. तब तक आप इंतजार करेंगे. और थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे. इसी के साथ मैं आज का वीडियो यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ. मैं आर एस प्रसाद सर.